Hey guys, welcome back to Pickle Jar Entertainment. Don't mind the sound. It's fucking annoying. Do not zoom in either. What the fuck? Oh, I'm taking photos. Holy shit. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I just wanted to show you my new apartment that I have. Well, it's upstairs from where I've already living at. But let's show you guys around. This is Magnus's apartment, my boss's son. And then, welcome to my giant apartment, which has 2 extra rooms. And the back was most likely a dining room. This is one of the rooms. It's beautiful in here. This is the living room. That's the table we still haven't got working yet. That's the 70-year-old table. And I have air conditioning. For a 17-year-old, guys. I think I'm pretty rich. And we have the broken door. We gotta turn this way, I think. Batman Begins! Whoa. Poster in here from theaters. And some drawer that's like in here. Shit. Fuck me, fuck thing working now. Get back in there. There we go. No. And this is my noisy ass fucking. Let me turn some lights on so you guys can see. It's dark as hell in this bitch. This is the sink. I don't fucking. Well, I need to work on this fucking food disposal unit thing, whatever you call it. I need to get a new microwave, but this one don't work. This is my noisy ass fucking washer and dryer. I had to go out and fucking buy. It's pitiful. Here's the dining room. Oh yeah, it's raining outside, by the way. I am in Greenville, South Carolina, guys. Making a living on my own. My dad always said I couldn't do it, but guess what? I fucking can. I got a fucking job, so fuck you. Motherfucker. And here's my room. Oh, there's the bathroom. This is the master bathroom for upstairs in this apartment. Why the fuck can I not see nothing in here ever? Alright. This is my shower. Pretty good shower. This is the toilet. And no one gives a shit, so I'll be closing this door and going out in other rooms. And then finally, we reach my bedroom. It's miraculous. It's wonderful. My shoes on the floor. My pants, my clothes. Which I need to buy more soon. Well, that's really it, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. We have an attic of some sorts. Fuck. There's some shit up here that I haven't touched yet, but there's a lot of shit that I gotta get out. Alright, thanks for watching this video, guys. Like and subscribe. Eat a pickle. Number 1, eat a pickle. They're good for you, plus pickles cool pain for some reason. Thanks for watching this video, and give me a like and subscribe, and eat a pickle, girl. How the fuck do what the fuck? Going in. Fucking kidding me, this phone's a piece of shit. Hold on a second, be right back. Fuck. Motherfucker. Back downstairs. In the old place I lived at. Which I don't live here anymore, so God, it's fucking pouring down. Well, fuck it. See you guys later. I'll meet a pickle. Bye, motherfucker.